G'day guys and welcome back to the MREI YouTube channel. This is AK. I'm going to be taking you through this beautiful apartment in Laureles today. If you've ever been to Laureles, then you'll know how different it is from the other main tourist neighborhood slash expat neighborhood in the city, Poblado. Laureles is completely flat, so if you like to walk around and you don't like the hills of Poblado, then this is the place for you. As you can see there, really great if you're a walker. This apartment is 145 square meters, completely remodeled. As you can see, it looks basically like a new apartment. Look at those floors and all the fittings, and the plastic is still on the appliances. That's how new the stuff is. This one is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and also has a few other rooms as well. So it has a dining area, a library and a study, a TV room, a laundry area as well, and also a balcony that you just saw a couple of seconds ago. This one comes with 2 parking spaces and also a daytime porter service. The price on this one is 890 million Colombian pesos, which at today's exchange rate is about 214 USD. And if you know anything about pricing and square meters, this one is 6.1 million Colombian pesos per square meter, which for this area and this type of renovation is a good deal. This apartment is in an area of Laureles which is very close to cafes, restaurants. This is also a really up and coming area, guys. If you don't want to buy in Poblado because the pricing is so much higher, then this could be a good option, because if you want to live here, then that's cool. Different type of lifestyle. But also for rentals, as we know, every year there's more and more tourists coming to the neighborhood, and I see more and more people, especially digital nomads, preferring to stay in Laureles just because it's out of the main tourist area and a bit more traditional. So in the coming years, as tourism grows, I don't see any issues with filling this apartment with a high occupancy rate. And as always, if you want to see this apartment or you need help finding something else, maybe a different area, maybe a different type of apartment, maybe a different budget, then just click the link that we've left for you in the description of this video and in the first pinned comment. Fill out the form letting us know exactly what you want, and someone from our team will be in touch to help you out. See you in the next video.